Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and I have one of the Penny Princesses with me in my kitchen again today.
Hello.
We are going to make hamburgers using my Power Precision Cooker sous vide style. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is season our patties. We're going to use pink Himalayan salt. So Penny Princess, if you would go ahead and sprinkle that on. We've already seasoned the other side. You gotta turn it upside down.
Oh.
There you go. Okay, now she's gonna put some black pepper on there. Do the same thing. Okay, and now some steak seasoning. Good job. And we've already got 2 tablespoons of olive oil in our BPA-free gallon-sized Ziploc freezer bag. We're gonna put these patties in. I've already got the water bath going. I started with hot tap water, and I have the Power Precision Cooker set on 145 for 1 hour. We're gonna carefully put these burgers down into the water bath. Get out all the air that we possibly can. That water helps to push that air out. Look, that one burger's sliding down, so we can slide that back. There we go. Get them down in there. Let them do their thing. And while that's cooking, we're gonna make our homemade macaroni and cheese, and we'll come back for a taste test in just a little bit. Okay, our timer has now gone off on our Power Precision Cooker, and we are going to remove the burgers. Okay, so we want to pat them dry. This is what they look like before you sear them, and you can eat them like this. They would still taste amazing. Because we want them to look amazing, we're going to sear them in a little butter in a hot frying pan on the stove top. Okay, so now I'm gonna put them in this hot pan and sear the meat. Okay, here's our amazing sous vide burger, and we're gonna sit down and have lunch. We've got our homemade mac and cheese, and I'll put a link to my mac and cheese video if you wanna try that. All right, Penny Princess, are you ready to give this sous vide burger a try?
Yeah.
All right, taste it and let's see how it is.
That is so good.
I see the joy in your eyes. Is that one, it's like on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being like the best burger ever, how would you rate this burger?
100.
100? Wow, well you've heard it from the Penny Princess. Thank you so much for being on my video.
You're welcome. I enjoyed it.
And thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give us a thumbs up. And if you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. Have a great rest of your day. God bless. Bye.